Hey guys, it's me Kunju aka Nia and you're watching That Clumsy Kunju. So today's video is honestly really exciting because I'm talking about a brand which I really love the most. And guess what? Because of Mother's Day, they have some amazing offers going on and I'm here to show you what I got from them. And it's none other than Bath and Body Works. If you're someone who already know me personally, you know that I cannot walk into that store and not buy anything. Okay, so even this time, I've got a lot of amazing stuff. You get buy three and get one for bigger products, and you get buy two, get one for the minis. I got few products from both. Let's start with the minis. First, I'm gonna show you all these cleansing hand gels which I got. It was not necessary for me to get those, but it looked too cute to sit on that stand, like it was calling me. So I got this lavender vanilla from Aromatherapy. I don't know if it is getting zoomed in or not. This one is really good. It's from their Aromatherapy collection. They have body mist, they have oil, everything in that range. It's a little expensive than the other ones. It has this really good scent of vanilla and lavender mix. So I really wanted to try this one. Next one is lavender and bergamot white barn. This is also another one which I really like. It smells different. It's not the regular lavender smell. It has a little bit of a woody touch to the scent. And when I got these two, that is when I got this one free. So as you can see, this is cozy vanilla almond and this is too sweet. Okay. I was not sure about it, but then I was like, maybe I should try it on my hand. I tried it from there. After applying it, maybe for another 10 seconds, it's gonna be a little strong. After that, it just settles down and the smell starts changing. Like it becomes very warm and cozy. So that's something I really like. I think that's worth it. Let's move on to the next minis. So even these, I was not sure if I should have taken it or no, but I just tried out the scent and it was so refreshing, so calming. Like, these are both from the aromatherapy range. And first one is eucalyptus and what is it? Yeah, spearmint. So I'm not sure if it is visible enough, but this one is essential oil mist with vitamin E and aloe, and it smells really good. Like, it's for the calming and stress relief. You can just spray two pumps on your pillow, and that's gonna make a big difference in your sleep. I tried it myself. So, yeah. I can guarantee you that. The next one is aromatherapy, lavender and vanilla. So this one is also very calming. As I told you, you can just spray two puff on your pillow and your sleep cycle is gonna be really good. When I got these two, I wanted to take one more. Right? Buy two, get one. So that is when I realized, okay, maybe I should take one of the scent which I can't afford to buy with the bigger ones. There was this new scent that's called Touch of Gold, and it's a vanilla, warm vanilla kind of a scent. And I tried it, it was good, but I found another vanilla which was more better. So I really wanted it, okay? That is when I saw this mini. So if you can see it, it's written Touch of Gold, and trust me, it smells exactly how the name sounds. It's something that you would expect gold would smell. I don't know whether if that makes any sense, but it's so rich, it's so good. I just wanted to try this and I was like, okay, let me go for the mini version. Now, this is exactly what I was waiting for, okay? It took me almost 1.5 hours to decide whether to go for this one or that one. It was very confusing. They had this amazing range of new collection that I was so drawn to, but I still was like, okay, Nia, don't do it. And you know what? It took me almost 2 hours. I think 2 hours, no? Yeah, it was kind of a big deal to leave that store without buying everything I saw there. The first one I'm gonna show you is the Inner Angel. So this is from their new range. So this fragrance is kind of spicy, I would say. Once you spray this somewhere, it smells like a cinnamon or maybe whiskey, like very spicy. And I really like perfumes which have that spicy touch to it. And so I think this was a good deal because it was the first time I saw something like this. Normally they have a lot of fruity, floral, and maybe aqua. So this was something different and I really liked it. So the next one is Free as a Flower. This is also from their new range. And trust me, just like the Inner Angel, this is also a scent I feel that is unique. You know what? It's not just any floral, okay? It has this wooden scent to it that it makes it stand out from the rest of the floral scent. I'm someone who have migraine, and usually whenever I purchase something fruity or floral, after some time I start getting this heavy headache. But this one is not like that. It just gives you that calm and not so extra kind of a scent. So this one is also another win-win. And if you're someone who have migraine like me, trust me, this one is definitely something that you would go for. Next up, I have Vanilla Romance. This is the last body mist of the lot. Talking about Vanilla Romance, what I like about it the most is that it has a cool note to it. It has a refreshing note to it. The moment I'm spraying it on my body, it's very much, refreshing rather than too sweet or too warm. Now that I've showed you all three of my body mist, I would love to show you the last and the final product which I got in the sale with this particular lot. Ta-da! It's a spearmint and eucalyptus body wash from their aromatherapy range. This one is the same as the pillow spray as well. See, it would be better if you have the body wash, body oil, and the pillow spray because it actually gives you stress relief once you're back from a long day. So I'm someone who loves to take a long shower after a long day. So for me personally, this is really good. Like I feel like all the stress is just washed away. And if you're someone like that, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this. So yeah, and go for the body wash because the scent, it actually lingers to your body and it actually stays. I've tried body cream as well, but the body cream, I feel the scent will just leave sooner. So body wash, body oil, and the pillow spray is the best option if you're going for some aromatherapy range. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this mini Bath and Body Works sale haul. And honestly, it was really impossible for me to stay away from those, but I still tried. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and be a part of Little Kunju fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.